In this video, we are going to solve an integration problem by means of integration by parts. Here's a question. Evaluate the integral of x secant square of 5x dx. The integration by parts formula is given here. So let's use that. We have integral of x secant square 5x dx. And that means x secant square 5x is u of x times v prime of x, because we are in the formula we have integral of u of x v prime of x dx. So we need to decide what u of x is and what v prime of x is. There are a few number of combinations, and since we know once we set u of x to be something and v of x, v prime of x, we need v of x, that means the integral. So since the integral of secant square is tangent, it is most appropriate to let v prime of x to be secant square of 5x. And in this, then u of x has to be x. And if u of x is x, u prime of x is just 1. And so we can also recall the derivative of tangent of mx is m secant square of mx. It means that the integral of secant square of mx dx is 1 over m tangent mx plus constant. So in this case, it means that v of x is 1 over 5 tangent of 5x. And that leads us to integral of x secant square of 5x dx is equal to u of x v of x. That means 1 over 5x tangent of 5x, then minus the integral of v of x times u prime of x. That means 1 over 5 tangent of 5x dx. Now see that this integral we can move the 1/5 out, so we get minus 1 over 5 integral of that. And also realize that to find the integral of tangent is sine over cosine, so sine 5x over cosine of 5x dx. So negative 1 over 5 here, and 1 over 5 x tangent of 5x. Now, we also know that dx of cosine mx is m, or negative m sine of mx. So it means that if we say t is equal to cosine of 5x, then dt is going to be negative 5 sine of 5x dx. So in other words, dx is going to be dt over negative 5 sine of 5x. So include replacing this in the integral on the right hand side, we get 5x 1 over 5x tangent of 5x minus 1 over 5 integral of sine of 5x, we're going to keep it first, over t times dt divided by negative 5 sine of 5x. So in this case, sine of 5x cancel out. So we get 1 over 5 tangent of x tangent x x tangent of 5x minus 1 over 5 integral of, okay. Now see that we have dt over negative 5t. So this is 1 over 5 x tangent of 5x tangent of 5x here, then plus 1 over 25 integral of 1 over t dt. And what is the integral of 1 over t? That is ln of t, absolute value of t, plus constant. So 1 over 25 here, 1 over 5x tangent x, or tangent 5x. Now see that we don't want to leave the answer in terms of x and t because the problem is given with x, so it would be good to leave it with in terms of x only. So replacing x, we get integral of x secant square 5x dx equals 1 over 5 x tangent 5x plus 1 over 25 ln of absolute value of cosine 5x, then plus constant. And that's is what we were looking for.